Want to replace the motor of your vacuum cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, pliers, and a new motor. Step 1. Remove the housing. The housing of this vacuum cleaner consists of two parts. First, loosen all the screws and then remove the upper part of the housing. After that, you can unclip the lower part. Make sure the circuit board remains inside. Step 2. Remove the old motor. Remove the motor housing and open up the soundproofing layer around it. The motor is connected with two cables. Carefully remove these with pliers. You can now remove the motor together with the holder. Step 3. Insert the new motor. Place the new motor together with the holder in the position of the old one and reconnect the cables correctly. Then wrap the soundproofing layer around the motor again and put the motor housing back in place. Step 4. Place back the housing. Replace the lower part of the housing first, making sure the circuit board is firmly pressed into position. When replacing the upper part, pay close attention that the pin of the power button falls correctly into the recess of the circuit board. This prevents damage and ensures that the button functions properly. When everything is properly in place, tighten all the screws firmly again. You have replaced the motor and the vacuum cleaner is ready to use again.